How to fix blend not showing in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open App Store and then search here Instagram. Now click on Instagram. Now here you can check your Instagram update. If your Instagram have any update, then here you can see the update option. After update your Instagram, then go back to your home screen and open Insta. Now open your chat section. Now open any chat. Then here you can see the blend option. Now click on it. Now here you can invite to a blend. So go back to your home screen. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open your settings and click on general and then click on iPhone storage. Now click on Instagram. Now here you can offload your Instagram app and reinstall it. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.